If you are wondering how long does battery last in Honor X7D, we can find one fun information on the box. So here it says, at least for the European standards, it says that it should withstand the battery for 71 hours and 0 minutes. But in reality, if you use your phone often, you unlock it, you use animated wallpapers, play games, listen music or anything like that, this time will change, and if you leave your phone on itself with 100% of battery, it should withstand this 71 hours, and it can change to 70, 69 or maybe higher 72 hours. So that is the time that they give the battery for how long it should last, and as I said, only when your phone is not being used. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.